What's up, YouTubers? It's the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we are going over some classic Neil Young. Okay. How many chords do we have? In standard tuning, we got E minor. 1, 2. We got D major. 1, 2. Let's do like a D major without the third. So leave the E string open. Okay, and then we have C major. 1, 2, 3. We have a G major. 1, 2, 3. And I believe that's all the chords. We got some different things happening over the chorus, but so basically we have three parts. We got the intro, which is E minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. D. Kick the song in, and that's gonna when he plays harmonica. So it's E, C, D, and G. E minor, C major, D, and G. Same chords when he starts singing. Go to chorus, E minor, G, and then C. And we have a little walk down there from the C. C, B, A, G. Chorus 2 times. First chorus. Okay, and then later on, before the last chorus, when the backing vocals comes in, which is actually Linda Ronstadt singing that, they go back to the E minor. And D, E. That little lick there is A, open A, second fret A, D, and G. Okay, so that's all the parts. And like you could tell, I'm doing mostly downstrokes for this song. Maybe sometimes I go da 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 da. So let's review everything. We got 3 parts. The intro, E minor, D, E minor. We got the main verses, E minor, C, D, G. And then we got the chorus. And also when he plays a harmonica, same chords as the verses. And then the chorus is E minor, G, and then C. And then walk down 2 times. Awesome. What a cool song. Yeah, thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll be back tomorrow with more acoustic hits. Be safe. Thank you.